Everyone na pagod na. Yung tipong ang dami-dami mo nang iniisip. Hey there! Welcome to the very first episode of Nano You Know. I'm Angel, your guide to this wonderful world of nanoAce. Today, we'll start with the basics. What exactly is nanoAce? So, calling out all our hardworking parents, young professionals, business owners, and everyone na pagod na. Yung tipong ang dami-dami mo nang iniisip, deadlines, errands, cleaning, hay nako, nakaka-stress, diba? Well, guess what? We've got something to make your life a bit easier and cleaner. But wait, what is nanoAce nga ba? Well, nanoAce is a groundbreaking technology from Japan that uses tiny particles to do big things. nanoAce is powered by advanced titanium dioxide photocatalyst technology. It's all about keeping your spaces cleaner, safer, and fresher than ever before. But how does it work? When light hits these tiny titanium dioxide particles, they get supercharged and start breaking down all the bad stuff. Germs, viruses, odors, you name it. These tiny particles becomes a protective shield on surfaces. And guess what? They do it all without any harmful chemicals, and it's safe for you, your pets, and the planet. Imagine this, you spray nanoAce on your kitchen counters, and boom, those counters are now self-cleaning, super hydrophilic, and antimicrobial 24/7, 365 days a year, with just one treatment. No more constant scrubbing and worrying about germs. Ang galing, di ba? And hindi lang ito for kitchens ha. nanoAce works wonders in any space. Living rooms, offices, schools, cars, you name it. Plus, it's safe for your kids, pets, and everyone in between. No harsh chemicals, just smart cleaning and sustainable cleanliness. Let's break down the benefits real quick. Long-lasting antimicrobial protection, improved indoor air quality, reduced need for deep cleaning, cost-effective sanitation, and non-toxic and safe for all. So if you're looking for a way to keep your environment sparkling clean and safe without the hustle, nanoAce is your go-to. That's it for today's episode of Nano You Know. So stay tuned for more fun and informative episodes as we explore the amazing world of nanoAce. Remember, big things come in small packages, and nanoAce is the proof of that. See you all next time. And also, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts for more updates and tips. Until next time, keep it clean with nanoAce. Bye!